The inspiration behind the LINIAN Cable Tray Clip, it was driven by customer demand, to be honest with you. They were asking, do we have a solution for cable tray clips? So we stuck with that design ethos, which is right there in the tagline: faster, safer, simpler, which kind of inspired us to start looking at different solutions for tray. Challenges we faced during the design and development process were definitely around about the different types of cable tray that are on the market. You've got medium duty, light duty, and there's variations in the design, there's variations in the hole pitches for the tray. So trying to find a solution which was really suitable for all types of tray with different manufacturers was a big challenge. So compliance with the 18th edition regulations is effectively what we do here, and it was important for this product in particular because of the regulations around premature collapse. So the whole point of the clip is to stop those cables from collapsing in the event of a fire. When the plastic ties melt, the clip's there to make sure the cable doesn't fall down. This product will improve the lives of installers massively. There's a few benefits there, to be honest with you. The first one's definitely the time saving. It's over 90% faster to install than a stainless steel cable tie. It doesn't involve any tools to install it either. So where you have a stainless tie, you have a ratcheting tool, etc. to install it. And there's a massive sustainability benefit as well. Using less clips takes less time, which is an overall carbon saving for the installer. And plus our packaging is sustainable as well. Partnership with CEF for LINIAN and its customers means access to product all over the country, up and down the country, readily available in branch, which is massive for us, for our products to be able to access, and for our customers, that means the product's readily accessible, same day in the branch. Sustainability plays a massive role in here at LINIAN and everything that we do. With this product, the sustainability saving comes from the time saving in the product. Using less hours and labour means saving carbon, and also the packaging. LINIAN's packaging won the Made in Britain award for sustainable packaging. It's fully recyclable at any point, which is innovative in our industry. One of the biggest challenges we've faced at LINIAN has definitely been the rate of scale. Our business has grown at a phenomenal rate in the years that we've been in charge. And it's not without challenges when a business scales at that rate, but it's challenges that we welcome.
Thanks, Laura.